Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another episode.
Hey guys, we're excited to guide you through a full day in English.
Today, we're talking all about daily routines, from morning to night.
And we'll show you how people describe their habits in natural conversational English.
So, Jack, let's start right from the moment you wake up.
Well, the first thing I do is open my eyes slowly and try to remember what day it is.
I do that too. Sometimes I just lie there for a minute before getting up.
After that minute, I usually reach for my phone to turn off the alarm.
I keep my phone far from my bed, so I have to stand up to stop the alarm.
That's smart. If my phone is too close, I hit snooze way too many times.
Once I'm up, I stretch my arms and back to wake up my body.
I usually walk straight to the bathroom to splash cold water on my face.
Cold water really helps. It instantly makes me feel more awake.
And it helps me actually accept that morning has arrived.
After washing my face, I brush my teeth while humming whatever song is stuck in my head.
I always check my hair in the mirror because it usually looks wild in the morning.
Same. Some mornings my hair looks like it fought a battle overnight.
Once the bathroom routine is done, I go to the kitchen to prepare some tea.
I go straight for coffee. I grind the beans, boil water, and enjoy the smell.
While my tea is steeping, I quickly check the news on my phone.
I try not to check the news until later. It stresses me out too early.
That's fair. After tea, I usually grab something small to eat.
I take my time with breakfast. It's one of my favorite moments of the day.
What do you usually have?
Sometimes oatmeal, sometimes yogurt with fruit.
I stick to toast with peanut butter or a banana.
I go straight to the studio to set up the equipment.
I take a minute to warm up my voice before recording.
Then we sit down and prepare our notes.
After that, we check the microphones and start the day's work.
It always feels good when we finally start recording.
Yes, it's like the whole morning leads to that moment.
After recording, I usually answer a few messages from listeners.
I check comments and see what topics people want next.
Around lunchtime, I get hungry quickly.
I start thinking about food even earlier than that.
I usually walk to a nearby cafe to grab something light.
Sometimes I bring a packed lunch to save time.
After eating, I like to take a short walk to clear my mind.
I do that too. Walking really resets your energy.
In the afternoon, I review our recordings and make small edits.
I work on upcoming lesson scripts or brainstorm new ideas.
Around 3 p.m., I feel a little tired.
Afternoon sleepiness hits me too.
That's when I make a second cup of tea.
I usually go for a snack, something sweet or crunchy.
Then I continue working until everything on my list is done.
When work ends, I tidy up my desk so the next day feels easier.
I shut down my laptop and stretch my back because it gets stiff.
After leaving the studio, I usually stop by the grocery store.
I sometimes grab ingredients for dinner on the way home.
When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes.
Me too. Nothing beats changing into soft clothes after a long day.
Then I sit on the couch for a few minutes to relax.
I like to turn on some music to help me unwind.
After resting, I start preparing dinner.
I'm not the best cook, but I try to make simple meals.
I usually chop vegetables, boil some rice, or make pasta.
While the food is cooking, I clean the kitchen a little.
I do that too. Cleaning as you go makes things easier.
When dinner is ready, I sit down and take my time eating.
I sometimes watch a show while I eat.
I prefer eating without any screens, so I actually taste the food.
After eating, I wash the dishes right away.
Sometimes I let them sit for a bit, but I regret it later.